Imagine a city that in 1980 was a fishing village. 45 years later, it has 17 million inhabitants and is home to Tencent, Huawei, DJI and BYD. Shenzhen, the first city in China to be designated a UNESCO City of Design, has transformed its skyline and its soul, betting on a vibrant and futuristic art ecosystem. Here, technology and creativity merge, giving life to a new era of cultural expression. For decades, Shenzhen was synonymous with technology, but something has changed. Shenzhen Art Week already brings together over 100 institutions. Zaha Hadid, Ole Sheeran, Ma Yansong. The biggest names in contemporary architecture are building here. And since November 2025, on the waterfront of the bay, rises the building that condenses all that ambition. "188,000 square meters of total area, designed by Ma Yansong and his studio, Mad Architects. The same Chinese architect that George Lucas trusted around his museum in Los Angeles. Today, in our Liaisons segment, we cross bridges to the Shenzhen Bay Cultural Square. We are joined by Felix Kwok, the man in charge of giving a soul and direction to this colossus. Barely 2 months into the role, his vision is already shaping the future of international design. Walking in here is a surreal experience. How does this architecture by Ma Yansong connect with the philosophy of the museum?
Okay, so first of all, hello everyone, my name is Felix Kwok. Welcome to our beautiful museum. The design concept of this museum is raw stone. So we have 9 huge rocks put together and become the appearance of our museum. So the concept is when you enter the museum, you're feeling back to the primitively surreal space, and you feel yourself in a cocoon or in a cavern. So you feel the beginning of human civilization. At the same time, you are feeling very futuristic, that you can envision the future of the human civilization as well.
It's not just an exhibition space. You've created something called the Design Future Institute.
This is exactly where we are right now. The Design Future Institute is a public platform where we serve annually 20,000 people from all walks of life. At the same time, we aim to promote design culture to, broadly speaking, the cultural development of Shenzhen. So we also build higher tertiary education programs as well. In collaboration, different institutes from Tsinghua University, the University of Hong Kong, and we're looking for more international collaborations as well.
Your international partnerships are impressive. What is the ultimate goal?
We work together with Tate, we work together with the Design Museum, and also we are going to do a very important show with Mobile National from Paris. So all these international collaborations aim to promote Shenzhen as an international hub of design and cultural exchange platform. We provide ourselves as a bridge that connect the rest of the world to look at China in the sense of design.
And being in Shenzhen, technology must play a leading role.
Nowadays, Shenzhen has developed itself as a city of technology. In our museum, we can see drones, robots, cars that are all manufactured and invented in Shenzhen. More than that, we're also doing what we call the Young Digital Artist Promotional Programs. We have built 2 huge LED screens, and for now we are currently doing a promotion of digital artists which use AI digital materials as a major medium of their artistic creations.
Felix, it is very interesting that in a city defined by its skyscrapers, this museum decides to disappear underground instead of rising towards the sky. What is the message behind this decision to prioritize the skyline and the public park over the building's own structure?
The building philosophy of Shenzhen Bay Cultural Square is a sheltered architecture. You don't see we build our architecture high. Instead, we dig down. So we have spacious underground area that is the way how we try to protect the skyline of the coast. On the rooftop of the museum, actually it looks like a park where people can rest, they can stroll, and they can enjoy the beautiful weekend and the Shenzhen Bay with the sunshine as well. We want to enjoy these beautiful locations together with the public.
Since its opening in November 2025, this place has already welcomed 200,000 visitors. It is a reminder that art and design have no borders when there is a clear vision.